adventurers. Welcome back to channel where we bring you quick and easy camping tips. Today I'll show you how to set up your camping tent in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you need: your tent poles, stakes, and a mallet. Always pick a flat, clear spot for your tent, away from rocks, roots, and low-lying areas where water might collect. Start by laying your tent flat. Make sure the door faces the direction you prefer, like a beautiful sunrise view. Next, assemble your tent poles. Most modern tents have color-coded or shock-corded poles, making setup super simple. Slide the poles through the sleeves or attach them to the clips. Then, secure the ends into the grommets at each corner. Watch your tent come to life. Once the frame is up, anchor your tent with stakes. Make sure they're angled slightly inward for extra stability. Finally, add the rain fly to protect against rain and dew. Secure it snugly, and don't forget to tension the guy lines for extra support. And there you have it. A perfectly set up tent in under 2 minutes. Now you're ready to enjoy your outdoor adventure. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more camping tips. Happy camping!